Clickbaity journalism is around now, around us, and sometimes you'll click on the news and the article itself won't have anything to do with the headline.
सिर्फ पीआर नहीं होनी चाहिए जीवन में, और भी चीजें होनी चाहिए, टैलेंट होना चाहिए, स्किल सेट होना
I think
चाहिए।
primarily talent तो होना ही चाहिए.
हाँ मतलब नहीं, but great PR skills is also talent.
People who are saying harsh dark secrets of industry are not people who are within the industry.
Peeking at someone's phone screen while they are texting.
Innocent.
Okay.
Just don't look at your
Yeah.
phone right in my face now. I will look.
Rude!
I will look.
Rude!
Hi everyone, this is your host Riya, and today I'm in conversation with the two very talented people out here. Sabah Azad and Saqib Salim, welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Congratulations for your new upcoming series, Crime Beat.
Well done, yeah.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Well done,
Yeah. So tell me honestly, after working for Crime Beat, आपने इतने सारे interesting topics को explore किया है. There's crime, there's journalism, finding out good stories, facing threats, and etc. But लेकिन आपके according, which is that one particular topic that kept you curious and fascinated?
I think within media itself, the dilemma between what's right and what's wrong, and in order to get a story, I think that was very interesting for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about you?
Just the fact that what a rookie journalist has to go through to get that first byline, that whole process. Of course, now when I look at journalists, I look at them slightly differently. And if they ask me something and try and give them a proper answer.
आपका perspective भी change हुआ रहेगा ना?
हाँ, that's not a lie. थोड़ा perspective तो change हुआ है because आपको जब किसी और की दुनिया के बारे में कुछ सच्चाइयाँ पता चलती हैं कि अच्छा this is how it works. For one story, you have to corroborate that from multiple people and find clues in this and that. So that for me was the exciting bit.
Okay. And tell me about your roles. Like, how do you resonate with your roles? And or any habit, be it a personality or any habit that you want to legit steal from your character?
No, I don't think I want to steal anything from Abhishek that much because he is... What I find similar in him is the fact that he's a go-getter. He wants to get the story anyhow, and that's how I am in real life. That if I set my eyes on something, I really work towards achieving that. So I think that's the similarity I found between myself and Abhishek.
Okay. What about you, Sabah?
I think she's extremely passionate and her moral compass is very centered. And I think I resonate with the latter. Yeah. And what could I hope to take from her? I think her drive. She's very driven.
And her money, she's very rich also.
Her father's
Yeah.
rich. She's not.
Yeah, her father's money. यार
Her
मेरा
father's
नहीं है इतना
rich.
moral compass. मैं ले लूँगा पापा के पैसे यार, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है मुझे.
सबा आपने एक लाइन बोली थी शो सीरीज में दैट क्या तुम्हें लगता है ये जर्नलिज्म है? तो ओके, आपने तो ये साकिब को बोली, पता नहीं साकिब को ही बोली थी ना आपने ये लाइन शो में, लेकिन आपको मैं आपकी पर्सनल रियल लाइफ में बोलना चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा कोई क्लिकबेट ही टाइप आर्टिकल या फिर एक हेडलाइन पढ़ ली जिससे आपने देख के जज कर लिया और आप रियल लाइफ में भी बोल रहे हैं कि यार ये जर्नलिज्म है? आपने फेस किया होगा ये?
I think not about me, but I think generally clickbaity journalism is around now, around us, and sometimes you'll click on the news and the article itself won't have anything to do with the headline. So yeah, I think when news and entertainment blur into one homogeneous mass, it becomes difficult.
What about you?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, so
What is journalism according to me?
yeah, basic, you know.
Yeah, just reporting the facts is journalism. And I think वो कहीं dilute हो गया है आजकल के world में, जहाँ पर बहुत शोर शराबा आ गया है. People are fighting for TRPs. So एक वो journalism को एक color दे दिया गया है that's become more of an entertainment show that I sometimes scoff and laugh at what's happening on national television. Just the way it's orchestrated. अलग अलग debates चल रहे हैं जहाँ लोग एक दूसरे को गालियाँ दे रहे हैं just for having a difference of opinion. I feel like that's where I feel like some of the journalism is headed towards. but also we have great people who are fighting the fight and fighting the good fight rather, and making sure that people get to know what actually is happening, and without their own point of view of why it happened or what it happened.
True. And I want you guys to break any stereotype about the relationship between the PR and the actors.
Break a stereotype.
Yeah.
I mean, I can talk about the relationship. I don't know about breaking a stereotype. I think some people choose to have PR for their own reasons. It could be to put their craft out there. It could be to protect them. And some people choose not to have it. And I think to each their own. I think it's
Their
totally
opinion,
fine. Yeah.
their life.
Yeah.
Totally get it.
Yeah.
Who are you?
सेम क्वेश्चन पूछो, अलग अलग सवाल पूछो ना हम दोनों से, मैं अलग जवाब दूंगा, कोई और सवाल
नहीं, आपका ओपिनियन अलग हो सकता है ना.
नहीं. आई फील लाइक, देखिए, क्यों, बिकॉज यू आर इन द पब्लिक आई, ऑफ कोर्स somebody has to protect you, because आजकल इतनी clickbaity न्यूज हो गई है. सो यू से समथिंग एंड इट जस्ट ब्लोज आउट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन ऑन इंस्टाग्राम ऑन अ 15-second रील. सो आई जस्ट फील लाइक होनी जरूर चाहिए, बट सिर्फ पीआर नहीं होनी चाहिए जीवन में, और भी चीजें होनी चाहिए. टैलेंट होना चाहिए, स्किल सेट होना
I think
चाहिए.
primarily talent तो होना ही चाहिए.
हाँ, मतलब नहीं, बट great PR skills is also a talent, and we've seen a lot of people like that also, and kudos to them for having achieved what they have achieved and how they have done it. But I feel like हाँ, होना चाहिए जरूर PR से एक relationship, because you want to
It helps
not
you.
give every information of yours out to the public or to anybody else. Like, I'm a very private person. I only want to talk about what I want to talk about. So sometimes the PR is also helpful in protecting that,
Yeah.
rather than just flooding people's timelines with your photo or your videos.
Correct.
PR job is also to protect you and position you a certain way, which I think is very important.
That is true. और आपने एक लाइन कही थी कि ऊपर जाने के लिए ना टेढ़ा बनना पड़ता है, लेकिन to stay long in this industry, आपको क्या लगता है being an actor, क्या कुछ टेढ़ापन करना चाहिए?
अच्छा काम ढूंढना चाहिए और अच्छा काम करना चाहिए.
I think टेढ़े बनने से किसी का काम नहीं बनता है.
कुछ नहीं.
And especially if you want to last in the industry, आप sincerity से काम करें तो then you last. Otherwise,
और अपने पे बिलीफ रख के काम करें.
या वरना उस टेढ़े में ही आप खो जाएंगे.
क्यों, क्या होता है ना, आई फील लाइक सबका आपके बारे में ओपिनियन होता है, तो आई फील लाइक थोड़ा थिक स्किन होना पड़ता है एक एक्टर को, तो वो बहुत जरूरी है.
बट ये मेरा सवाल यही था कि पॉडकास्ट ऐसे मतलब डॉक्यूमेंट्री के दिखाते हैं, हार्श डार्क सीक्रेट सो एंड सो दिखाते हैं, जो काफी वायरल हो रहे हैं, बट डू यू थिंक दैट रियली हेल्प्स टू द ऑडियंस?
But harsh dark secret of what?
Like, you know, of any इंडस्ट्री बोल दो या फिर स्कैम बोल दो.
But you will notice that all the people who are saying harsh dark secrets of industry are not people who are within the industry.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, so
it's a very hardworking industry.
Yeah.
From every technician, from behind the camera to your light, your gaffer, to your, you know, people who are setting up set, your art direction. This is the most hardworking industry out there. Even to make a not so great film, you still have to do hard work.
True.
So whatever this dark secret is, are people who have not been on set.
No, and it's
And-
not only on YouTube, huh?
Of course.
Like, I feel a lot of media channels are involved in making the Hindi film industry
Villainizing
sound like
the Hindi film industry,
the
like
worst place to
like they're
work
not
in.
human beings, you know.
I've had lovely experiences here. I've met lovely people here. Have I met bad people? Yes, I have. But have I met bad people in
Everywhere
other
else,
professions?
absolutely.
Yes. So just to
Villainize this industry is
just doesn't make
It's
sense.
just everywhere.
it's
Just
bizarre.
everywhere.
It's just
And
like
I think there's a
feel like
morbid
it's also-
curiosity about this industry,
Yeah.
and that's why people, and again, clickbait.
And media has just
Again.
used that to its advantage, because people want to know about the industry, and I feel like
some media.
some media,
Some
of course,
media.
some media has tried to villainize the industry, which is not the truth.
Yeah. सेम क्वेश्चन बट टॉकिंग अबाउट द इन्फ्लुएंसर. सोशल मीडिया पर भी अभी तो पहले जमाने में टीवी पे आती थी न्यूज़, लेकिन अभी सब अपने फोन पे है. इन शॉर्ट देयर इज एन ऐप. ओके, इंस्टाग्राम पे भी क्रिएटिव पोस्ट पे हम लोग
इंस्टाग्राम पे भी खबरें ही चल रही हैं.
हाँ, सब
हाँ.
खबरें चल रही हैं.
हाँ.
लेकिन अगर मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की बात करूं, डू यू थिंक दे रियली इन्फ्लुएंस अदर पीपल?
भाई कुछ तो इन्फ्लुएंस होगा, तभी उनका काम चल रहा है, उनका दैट्स अ बिजनेस, राइट? वो बिजनेस ही कर रहे हैं, तभी कोई तो
Somewhere.
some data is being collected where obviously their influence is translating into sales for somebody. तो ऐसे तो नहीं कह सकते कि वो लोग influential नहीं हैं, पर मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं पता influencers के बारे में, पर ऐसे तो उनको हम रन डाउन तो नहीं कर सकते. किसी के तो
प्रोफेशन यार,
किसी उनका प्रोफेशन है और किसी का तो पैसा बन रहा है because of their existence. So some trade is happening there.
Yeah,
you
but
know?
people legit put question mark कि ये influence कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे.
ये तो लोगों से ही पूछना
यार,
पड़ेगा.
ऐसे मैं कह सकता हूँ कि एक्टर एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. मतलब कुछ एक्टर कर रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं ना.
Yeah.
मतलब कुछ सिर्फ खामखा कर रहे हैं. तो वैसे हर प्रोफेशन में होता है. आई फील लाइक
Correct.
किसी भी प्रोफेशन को सिंगल आउट नहीं किया जा सकता.
Correct.
Yeah.
Like are there good influences in the world? 100%.
100%.
Yeah, there's some
But-
people doing amazing work in sustainability.
100%.
Some people doing amazing work in food.
Yeah.
You know, some people doing amazing work in politics and journalism actually
Yeah.
on the internet.
On Instagram.
On
where
on
they just-
Instagram, like they've used Instagram and TikTok to relay war news. So
Yeah.
you know what? Some influencers are actually doing great work.
They're doing
And
And-
it's a legit profession. Yeah.
And
It
and,
is.
and for some people, it's bringing bread and butter to their homes, which it wasn't before. So, chalo, I mean, it's a democratic medium. I'll say that much at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just wrap it up with a fun segment,
Sure.
which is criminal or innocent. I'll say मैं आपको एक सेंटेंस दूंगी. अगर आपने वो चीज की है तो आप क्रिमिनल बोलोगे,
Okay,
नहीं की है तो
understood.
आप innocent बोलोगे.
Understood.
Okay. Telling someone you're on your way when you have not even left yet.
Criminal.
Okay. Lying about knowing a celebrity just to impress someone.
Innocent.
Okay. Saying let's meet soon to someone knowing you'll never call them.
Innocent.
Criminal.
Okay. Have a secret WhatsApp group of your friends where you bitch about other group.
Innocent.
Okay. Peeking at someone's phone screen while they are texting.
Criminal.
Innocent.
Criminal.
Okay.
Just don't look at your
Yeah.
phone right in my face now. I will look.
Rude.
I will look.
Rude.
Lastly, creating a fake account just to stalk someone.
Innocent.
You have
Innocent.
not. Do you guys have Finsta?
No.
No, I'm not on Finsta. I got to know about Finsta
I
today. She
I told him
me
about Finsta. He had no idea what Finsta
Oh
was.
my god.
about
Yeah,
fake
I've heard
It is
I've
a
heard
Gen Z
Finsta.
term, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not.
Thank
Gen
you
Z.
for making me feel I'm old. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
No,
a
no, it's not
millennial,
like that.
guys.
Well, thank you so much. It was really, really nice having you, and all
Thank
the
you.
best
Thank you,
for
Riya.
Crime Beat.
Hi, I'm Saqib Salim.
Hi, I'm Sabah Azad, and you're watching us on
Instant Bollywood.